These pictures of textured 3D wall panels will make you drool. Solberg Industries panel called Stillair, installed in the Pepperwood residence, Sandy, Utah. This lovely textured panel is from Solberg and is called piastra. Piastra comes in planks. Solberg terms them slats, ranging from 4 inches by 12 inches all the way up to 6 inches by 36 inches. How can you not exclaim the wonderfulness of these panels at every turn? One feature of 3D panels is flow, continuity. While you can get panels that stick on the wall in any direction, like WallArt's Cariota panels, another class of panels, from any of these manufacturers, matches up from panel to panel. Get a smashing vibrant purple wall with this cube-shaped 3D textured panel from Wall Dimension. These panels come unpainted, and you can color them anything you wish. Paint sprayer recommended. This is where you see the benefits of 3D wall panels. It's impossible to duplicate this look using any kind of 2D wall covering. This pattern is called Zell and it's from Modular Arts, a high-end design materials company based in Seattle, Washington. Sixties-Style 3D wall panels are the most popular out there, and those from Modular Arts are no exception. When looking for textured wall panels, no doubt you'll run into a company called Textures 3D. Company representative Carlos Alberto tells me that Textures 3D was one of the earliest companies to offer textured panel products. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.